Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another present with us, and it says do not ship buyer. So this one is gifted to me by my sister, that is Ritika. So thanks for the gift. And it says that the item type is beauty, and it also says do not ship buyer. So I am a bit intrigued to see what is going to be in it. So let's just go ahead and open it without wasting any time. It looks like a perfume, but let's see. So this is our trusty knife. It always comes in handy. So as it turns out, it's a perfume. Thanks a lot, Ritika, for sending me this. I'll just go ahead and try it once, and it smells amazing. I've just tried it, and it smells really nice. So thanks a lot, Ritika, and have a great day. Bye bye.